Hello Sagittarius, welcome to your reading. So this is going to be your zodiac reading for July 1st to the 15th. So you guys are aware how I do this. I'll be first looking at the current situation, and basis that I'll be looking at the outcome that you can expect or whatever you can expect in these 15 days. Also, I'll be ending the reading with a couple of guidance cards from the universe, and we shall see how it goes. While watching this, please remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. So please take what resonates and leave what does not. Usually, if in the beginning it is resonating, like the main situation or the current situation is resonating, then I think this reading resonates with you. Okay, so let's begin. Let's see what's going on with you presently, Sagittarius. What is going on with you presently? Let's see. King of Cups, Eight of Cups, Knight of Cups. Somebody wants to come forward and make a romantic gesture towards you, Sagittarius. I see that this person has a lot of feelings for you, but they will only show a certain part of it. Or they are, alright? Because there is a Eight of Cups here, so I have a feeling that maybe there is some distance between the two of you. Maybe you guys are not talking. I feel that energetically, you could be waiting for the love of your life, Saggis. And in that process, you're just a little isolated and alone. You could notice yourself, you could find yourself talking to the stars very frequently, or just spending time alone looking at the sky, looking at the moon. I'll clarify the energies once again, because I do feel that there is somebody. I sense someone's energy who wants to come forward, but I think because of the distance, I think this person is not taking a step. Now let's see. King of Cups, the Moon, Eight of Cups, Magician, Knight of Cups, Queen of Wands. Someone is not being able to handle their emotions for you. I don't think this is your energy. I don't think so. This is somebody associated with you. This person is not being able to handle their emotions anymore. This person wants to come towards you and express what they feel for you. Okay? This person wants to make sure that things work out. Presently, that's the energy that I'm picking up. However, I feel that you have some issues. This person sees you as someone who's very successful, somebody who's very attractive, but there are issues here. I don't know if this is resonating. Let me know in the comments, because I feel that this time of withdrawal or time of no talkie or something has actually made this person realize how much they are into you. Okay, and this person is not being able to handle their emotions. Okay, it's tough for them. They want to come towards you because it's difficult for them to resist you. All right, it's very difficult because yes, there is a lot of attraction I see with the Queen of Wands. It's difficult for them to resist you. All right, so if this resonated, let me see what can you expect in the next 15 days, July 1st to the 15th. Eight of Swords. Five of Pentacles. Oh, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. You could be having a lot of inhibitions in your mind in regards to this situation. You could be waiting too. Like, I mean, I can see that somewhere you feel pretty alone, shattered. Maybe this person broke your heart. Alright? Now I'm seeing this person did not want to do it, but it just happened. And I'm seeing that even you want a fresh new start somewhere. You also don't want to like carry it on for too long, but then you have some inhibitions. Let me clarify these. Eight of Swords. The World. Five of Pentacles. Six of Wands. Ace of Pentacles. The High Priestess. Yes. So the point is that you are, again, this is a little similar to Aries that I did right in the beginning. You are trying to not show this to the world that you are feeling this way. You're feeling alone. You're feeling isolated. You don't want to show the truth. You still want to pull it through, but from inside you really want to go back to this person. A part of you really wants to have a reconciliation and a talk with this person, but you're just keeping all of this inside you. As I said, maybe it's because you have a lot of inhibitions associated with this situation. Now I don't know what these inhibitions are, but they are pretty strong. All right. So strong that you're holding yourself back very tightly. You don't want to really, allow your soft side to be visible. This thing that is going on around you, you don't want to show it. I see you kind of battling this energy of not wanting to show what you feel. In fact, I see this person coming towards you in the next, I would say, 8 days or so. Or I think on the 8th of July or something. But I feel, dates are general, guys. Whatever I pick up, I'll tell you. But I feel that you might resist it again. Because I have the Eight of Swords again here. So you might resist it again. Because you again will not be able to trust this person for XYZ reasons. I'm not even getting into it. This person might have done something which has put you in this spot of not being able to trust them at all. Okay, so if this resonated with you, let's see what is the advice for you, Saggies. What is the advice? White Eagle, Ancestor Spirit. Connect to your lineage. A family wound or pattern can be healed now. Interesting. I think there is some higher purpose to this connection. I felt that in the beginning of the reading itself. There is some healing work that needs to happen. And you know what you heal, if you heal yourself, you heal that thing in your family line. In the language of healing, that's what we say. Maybe you've had a ancestral trait of not being able to trust a certain kind of people. And this is the certain kind that I'm seeing. People who are probably a little flamboyant, people, I don't know, maybe this person was very flamboyant with you. Maybe that's the reason why you're not able to trust this person. So whatever it is, you're healing that energy, alright? I will clarify this whether you should trust this person or not, but let me just pick one more oracle card here for you. coming to life. So I think some sort of a deep freeze is coming to life. I have a feeling you guys will talk. You both will talk. Let's see if you should allow that. What is the message from the tarot? Should you allow that? Four of Cups. Allow it only when you value it. Right now I feel you don't value it. I have the High Priestess again. Because it's coming from the soul. It's a very deep rooted thing. So it is not possible to do it unless it comes from inside. I have a feeling the time will come, end of this year, when you will know the value of that cup. And I think probably then you would be not having issues trusting this person. That is what I'm seeing. Alright, Sagis. So I hope this resonated with you. Let me know in the comments. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And I shall see you soon again with more readings. Take care. Bye.